Hello friends, in this series I'm building a website builder similar to Squarespace and Wix, and this is going to be episode 4. So in the last episode we added a source code editor to make it possible for users to begin updating the content of their blogs. And this editor can be opened by going to the block toolbar and clicking on this icon. And from here, you are free to edit any part of the HTML, and your changes will be reflected in the preview here. So for example, if we want to update this text, then we can do it like that. We can also update the element of the text. Say we want to make it an H1, then we can do it like that. We can change the source attribute of the image. So let's go ahead and find some other image. Maybe this dog here, he looks happy. Let's go copy image address and then update it like that. And then we can see our happy friend show up here on the page. So that's pretty cool. But we also decided that for small changes like updating a piece of text or swapping out an image, you really shouldn't have to go into the source editor. You should be able to just click on whatever you want to change and then have an interface to easily modify it from there. So that's what I've been working on last week. And now when you click on a text, it becomes editable. So you get this green outline here, and then you can change the text, right? And this works for headlines, paragraphs, and buttons. And then for images, if you want to update an image, you can click on it, and that's going to open up this new image manager. And then you have two options for uploading images. So if you don't have the image on your hard drive, it's hosted online somewhere, then you can use this input right here. So say we want to change it to some other image, maybe this girl here, she looks cool. Let's copy that image address, and then we can update the input here with the new image. Click insert image, and that's gonna make it appear on the page. But if you do have the image on your computer, then you can click on this right here to upload it. And I have saved 4 images here. I thought we could build out a little blogging section of some sort. So let's start with this image. Click open to upload. And then I guess that took a bit of time. I should probably put in some loading icon here. It was faster on my local computer, so I'll have to do that later. Anyway, so we have our image here. Let's click insert image, and that's gonna update it on the page, right? And then for our blog, maybe we can say, I don't know, hello, Julia, welcome to my blog, or something like that. And I'm not even gonna attempt to come up with anything for this text, so I'll just leave it as it is. And then for the button, maybe we can say something like continue reading. Cool. Then let's add another section so we can use up the rest of our images. So since I had 3, I'll go for this section here. And then we can say something like latest posts. And then for the first post, we'll upload this image right here. Click insert image. And then for the title, I don't know, what can we say here? Maybe decorating with plants. It's a terrible blog post, but you get the point. So the next one is going to be the lamp. And that can be, what can we say here? Mastering indoor lighting. Something like that. Okay. And then for the last one, we have this cactus. I think it's a cactus, might be something else, but Yeah, let's go with that. And for the title, yeah, I guess this doesn't really matter. Let's just say autumn, is that how you spell it? I don't even know. Is around the corner. Cool. So there we have it, our little blog section here created with our new features. So those were image uploads and editing inline. So for next updates, the next thing I want to work on is making it possible to add background images. So right now, say we add this block right here, and if I want to add a background image to this, again, I have to go into the source code editor, and it's kind of tedious. What I want to do is just add another option here in the toolbar for which I can click, and that's gonna make me select some kind of image, and that's gonna be added as the background on the page. And probably we need some kind of way to add a color overlay as well, so we can kind of manage the contrast between the text and the background. But yeah, that's what I'm going to work on next. And yeah, if you want to try out the app, you can go to bluekey.io. I always keep the latest version deployed here. And if you have any feedback, please leave it in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.